Today I'll be presenting Pseudo Protocol, and currently we are live on testnet on Aptos, and we plan on building on Supra as well. So on Supra, we are planning on using the native automation feature to automate the DVRF function call. Currently on Aptos, we are using a backend for this, so I'll dive a little bit more into that. This presentation provides an overview. We are currently using a backend on Aptos. Like I mentioned, for the DVRF function call. Let me start with a brief history of past TGE models. ICOs in 2017 led to gas wars and bot dominance over humans. 24-hour IDOs in 2021 to 2024 resulted in retail investors often losing money with limited secondary market price discovery. NFT mints, while initially fair, eventually succumbed to bot manipulation. Whitelist and pre-sale systems were a less equitable pricing model and gated a lot of users out. BRC20 showed the demand for fair mints, but the system didn't prevent bots and fee auction wars. Pumped Out Fun is really interesting. It attracted a lot of new users into the crypto space, into the meme coin and community token culture. But if any of you guys have used it, it's littered with scams and rug pulls. So we aim to try to solve this issue. How are we solving this issue? Participants purchase tickets to enter a token mint raffle. Transactions are recorded into the raffle smart contract on-chain as entries. Winners are selected by calling the DVRF function every block. Mint time duration can be customized to any amount of time, and also the period of the mint raffle currently it's programmed for every block, but it can be customized to 1 second, 10 seconds, depending on the needs of the product that's launching. Fungible asset ticket proceeds are pooled as locked liquidity using a liquidity locking service. We want to set full-size collection bids for NFTs that are launched using the protocol. The NFTs that are launched using Sudo will have a floor price that cannot be the price will not go under there. This is a little demo of the current UI that we're building out on Aptos. As you can see, we have a little section here for the raffle. We have some statistics, so how many tickets you bought, how many winning tickets you got, your success rate, and how many tokens you've won. At the bottom here is a live feed of all the transactions that are coming in real time, and your status of what you participated in, whether you won that block, whether you lost or you didn't participate. So the current implementation, like I said, we are using the DRF call triggered on every new block. This currently utilizes a backend and RPC connection to monitor new blocks on Aptos. Every block on our backend sends a transaction to call the randomness function. The problems with this is the dependency on the backend infrastructure, and it's a closed process that can lead to inefficiencies and trust issues. Transition to Supra L1, SupraDApp. Why Supra? Native automation eliminates the need for backend services. The DVRF call automated every block. Automated DVRF call process streamlines operations for better performance. Increased transparency and reliability in token launches. Benefits increased efficiency and reduced latency. Zero block delay, which is a really cool feature. Enhanced scalability for future growth. Ability to handle increased transaction volumes without additional overhead. And DVRF obviously ensures secure randomness from a reliable source. And it's all 100% automated. This is the epitome of what we want to try to build on a SupraDApp. Yeah, obviously, I'm not going to go over this again. You guys know about SupraDApps on Supra. Transitioning to Supra marks a significant step forward for Sudo, and automation will streamline operations and enhance user experience and security. Pseudo Protocol expects to launch on Supra for the SupraDApp showdown, so we are looking forward to that.